be king, you could be my only queen. We'll have everything that we need. Ooh, you and me, yeah. We're a team, it started in a July dream. You're my fantasy, come with me. I'll take you there, you'll see. This is the place we can live in. This is our home. All we need is a lifetime to make it true. The summer sun's not setting without you. We'll walk in the sand and I'll hold your hand. We can build this love for two. 'Cause all we need is a lifetime to make it true. A sandcastle of love, sandcastle of love, a sandcastle of love, sandcastle of love.
Honey,
Castles away.
Mama wishes you all the love and happiness you and Mark both are more than well deserved of.
Thank you, Mark. I wish you the best. Love you.
Sandcastle of love, sandcastle of love. We know sometime it'll wash away, and when it comes, we'll watch it go, but we're here to stay. Oh yeah, we're here to stay. 'Cause all we need is a lifetime to make it true. The summer sun's not setting without you. We'll walk in the sand and I'll hold your hand. We can build.
Hi guys, I wish you guys the best. I love both of you.
Thank you so much for letting me be a part of your special day. I love you guys.
I wish that my mom and Mark keep on being their own like little thing forever, and I hope that they're always going to be in that little bubble.